Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the sound machine alarm clock with Nightlight. I got this item from Amazon. So these are the features of the noise machine alarm clock. So soft music, snooze function, fall sleep aid. It's made of a fabric, like a linen fabric. It has white noise, nightlight, natural sound, and alarm clock. So let's open it. So it comes with a Type-C charger. And it also comes with a charger block, which is nice. So here is the unit. This is the instruction manual. So there's the instruction on how to use the alarm clock feature, the noise feature. So let's pull it out. So here is the Nightlight. It's very sleek, and this is a soft cloth. I did notice that there is a seam here in the back where you can see how it was attached. So the buttons are subtle. It's white, so it's kind of hard to see, but this one is to make the light dimmer, set time, alarm set, volume, play. So I like how subtle it is. There's not a lot of miscellaneous buttons that aren't needed. So there's a USB port, and you can also use this port. So let's plug it up. I'm gonna try to plug it in and see how it works. So I've plugged the charger, and there you go. So let's see. There you go. That's really nice. So I wanted like a big display that would show the time. So let's try to set the time. Time set. Let's see how it works. So let's try out the buttons here. So the dimmer button, if you press that, as you can see, it keeps the time. You can dim the time, and to set the time you can press this time set button. It's long press that and hold. It says here hold it, and let's see if it works. Nope, it didn't work. So it's long press it. There you go. So 24, I want 12 hours. What else? Hold the alarm. So time right now is 11:19. So let's set that and do the other side. 11:19. So I'm going to do 11:20. Set time. Okay, so the time is set. Hold to set the alarm. So if you click this, you can set an alarm. There, you could do a 7 a.m. alarm. So I'm going to set that. There you go. Oh, that's nice. Rainforest. That one's nicer. So I'm going to use that because it's subtle. What is this? Oh, is that volume? I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so we got an alarm. So as you can see here, I have the alarm, the number 3 light. There's a light in there, indicator. That's the alarm indicator. Number 4 is the light indicator, sound indicator, snooze indicator, timer indicator. So I'm still gonna experiment on how those features work. Okay, so this button is to turn on the nightlight. So you can adjust the lights, which is really nice. It has 13 adjustments. This is a more whiter light. 11, it's just brighter. 13 is soft. There we go. That's the darkest setting. So now you got the middle light going on. It's on right now, and then let's try this one. So this one is this music. What's the noise? We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's nice, a lullaby. Okay, so I didn't want those nature sleeping sound. This is what I want. This is the sleeping music, or this is the noise, the fan. So this is a complete deal. It has everything. I think that's what my husband would like. A fan. That one. That's the perfect sound. So now you got the 3 buttons on, and then the Z's here. Let me see. So you can click this button to set the timer on. So you could 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120, 180. I'm not sure what that is for, the blank one. Probably you could, I'm not sure what the blank is, but maybe that one is infinity, I'm not sure. So you could like do it infinitely. So yes, this is a really nice noise machine clock, alarm clock. It has everything that I need. It has the best features are the fan and the music, and you also get alarm. So that is our review for today. If you like this product, I will link it in the description. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.